Awesome, awesome, awesome. How's everybody doing today?
I'm still black, but I'm working through it though.
That's what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up. Before we go started with, with the call, today is Thursday. We like to talk about our wins on Thursday. I also have Alyssa on board. I don't know if you guys remember Alyssa. So I have
Hey,
Alyssa.
what's going on? What's going on? My bad.
Now you good, you good, you good. I have Alyssa on board as well. You guys remember the last conversation we had was about the option trading, right?
Yes, sir.
So, Alyssa is on
10K
board.
to start.
Let me make sure everybody's muted. But Alyssa is on board today because we did get somebody from the community that got started with her. That's already getting results, right? So, like I said, this community is not just about credit; it's about building wealth in all type of different aspect. Whether it's as you guys know, we got different avenues for you guys to take once you guys get access to capital, and yeah. So I wanted to Thursday calls is all about wins. We want to talk about our wins for the week, and then we want to talk about what we got going on, our goals, um, and everything like that. So now that we got about 16 people on the call, this is a good amount of people to get started. So, Alyssa, if you don't mind, you could take the floor and just kind of, give some feedback from the results that we've gotten with the trading so far.
All right, cool. Hey guys, what's up, y'all? I'm on the way. Honestly on the way to another event. I just left another networking event. Just growing the fund out, y'all. But I was able to get a member of the community onboarded from this past week, right? And the onboarding process is very quick. It probably took us about 3 days waiting for the the bread to transfer from the account into the brokerage account. And then on Monday it was a holiday. So it was President's Day on Monday, which means the markets are closed. So we didn't actually start trading until Tuesday. So we just have a couple of days of results here. From Tuesday to now, it's only Thursday. So we just had literally a few days and have already made over $1,000 trading. So I just wanted to, show you guys real life proof of like this works. And it's just something that is more safe than taking a risk and not understanding where to put your money and how to actually grow your money, and having someone who has experience and has been doing this for a long time to be able to grow your money and be able to make money, right? And so that's basically what I'm going to show you guys. Like, I'm not sure if everybody was here on this call the last time where I kind of walked through of how it pretty much works, but I'm just going to show you guys the results, and then you guys can be able to take it from there. Let me see if I can share my screen. Julius, am I able to share my screen, please?
Give me 2 seconds. Let me make that possible. All right, there you go.
All right. 1 second.
In this community, guys, we are about results, right? A lot of people do a lot of talking. We don't really like to do too much talking. We just like to, get to it and show the results.
Cool. All right. So as you can see here, as you guys can see here on the bottom of the screen, you see that it says today's date, the 20th. This is the amount of money that was made today in the stock market, $1,169.
Excuse me, Alyssa, you want to move me out the way so they can see? Because
Oh yeah, sorry about that.
no, you good.
Yeah, so if you guys can see here, right here on the bottom of the screen, we have the 20th of February, and then today in the stock market, what was made is $1,169.30, guys. This is literally just today's profits. Like I can literally show you guys. I can show you guys more of what how this is like consistent things. You guys can just pay attention to like me scrolling through these. You'll be able to see that this is something that continuously happens throughout the weeks, that will consistently have days where we're doing just actually the minimum goal that we're reaching for is just 250 a day, $250 a day. And then on the accounts because we are mitigating risk, right? So if you think about the amount of trading days that are in a month, 250 a day, I mean, you're looking at about 3 to 4K in a month, right? But some days we are hitting days where we're doing really big numbers like this, and then just $400 is a percentage, $900, right? So these are consistent gains that we are seeing from trading. Oh, let me see here. So I really wanted to be able to show you guys the actual results to be able to, so you guys can see within the trading platform. You guys can also see that this is something that's consistently happening on a daily basis.
Oh yeah.
Nah, I love
Yo,
that.
I'm with all of it, man. I can't wait till I get right in that position. I'm coming to talk to you, and that's off top.
Right, right. So I know, Julius, I know you just wanted to talk about more of like the results today.
What you been traded on?
Train on Weeble.
Oh, okay.
Yep, Weeble.
Why you don't use Robinhood?
You said what happened?
So why you don't use Robinhood?
Robinhood is really for like beginner retail traders. Webull has more of a customized platform that allows for us to be able to trade like larger amounts of money with and be able to manage the risk better. It's kind of harder to navigate your trades on Robinhood. It's very the platform is very beginner friendly and not necessarily as customizable as I'd like. So that's more so why I use Webull rather than Robinhood.
Okay.
Awesome. Well, yeah, so I don't know if you guys if you want to who was it that it was Fancy that
On here.
got started, right?
Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, Fancy's on this call. So we got Fancy onboarded
Yeah.
into the onto the hedge fund. And so Fancy, I'm not sure if you're able to, mic up, but you can let them know like how easy the process was to get everything set up. And I know it's only been a couple days, but if you've been able to see the growth on your account as well.
I got more. Hey,
Yeah, absolutely.
you be trading the same stock every time, or you just know what you be trading on first?
Yeah, so typically we are trading the S&P 500. And so we'll trade the different stocks if there's like specific news correlated with that stock that may be coming out, but typically the S&P.
Okay.
Yep. Go ahead, Fancy.
Yeah, absolutely. Actually, I saw within 2 days making so much. I think I transferred 24K in that account, right? And you were able to start the trading on Tuesday, right? So
Yep.
I didn't check on it, but then after I get out of my office today, I actually went and looked and I was like, what the hell? Like, I don't want to keep my money in the bank anymore. I'm gonna take my money out of the bank now. I'm like, I didn't even reach out to you yet, but I saw it on the account and I'm like, that's a big jump in 2 days. So
Yep. Yeah,
I'm excited. I'm gonna leave my money there for you to keep trading, Alicia, because I love it. It's
exactly.
I'm excited. On my 24K, I already make 1,000 something on 24K. You don't make that in the bank. I'm excited. I just saw it not too like an hour ago, so I'm really excited. And the process was easy too, because it's just 3 days. You were able to walk me through everything, and I just did it, and it takes, I think, less than 3 days actually.
Yep. And so the like that's the cool thing about being able to trade like day trading is that you're able to make so much more money. Like on your account, you had in a savings account. Like were you just making what was it 4 or 5% a month on the money that you had in the account?
Yeah. So I still had to leave a good amount of money in that account to kind of really keep it active. I just pulled 24K from that account because I know that I still want to have that account, but then taking 24K and having you work it, it's like it looks like the better because I was getting 4.5, I think, monthly for on that account because it's another investment account. But the bank investment account, they give you a little, maybe 5% sometime. It fluctuate like between 4 and 5%. It never goes higher than that.
Wow.
Yeah. Even
Wait,
if I
I
have a
want to.
big CD, the CDs still, they don't pass 5%.
I really want you guys to really imagine this here too, because Fancy, you had $30,000 inside that account, right? And then just 4.5% a month. We
Mm-hmm.
already exceeded what you made in 1 month in
In
2 days.
1 day. 2 days.
Yep.
2 days, 2 days. Wow. I'm like, I'm still so excited because I just saw it. I
Like this
didn't
is
even realize it.
right. All right. So this
I'm
is
so
real, guys.
excited. I'm actually looking at it right now. It's crazy. I'm excited.
Yep. Yeah, this is real. Like that's the bank's interest is always going to be extremely low. Any savings account you get it in, you're going to only make 4 or 5% max on your money. And if you want a situation where you'll be able to make more on your money, like by the end of the month, we're going to be looking at least minimum 10 to 20% growth on the money, at least, right? We have months where we've made 100% return on the capital in the account. Now that doesn't happen every month, and we don't guarantee results. Anybody who guarantees a result, then they're just lying. But I'm showing you guys a proven track record, and then Fancy already is experiencing it for herself. So you guys know this thing actually works.
Yeah, I'm a keep going for sure, because I've never seen this shit happen. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna leave it in there. Now I'm gonna rock it up.
Yeah.
So how much can you potentially make within a month with the amount that Fancy has in there right now? How much you think she could potentially make within a month?
Yeah, so let's say on the low end, let's just say on the very low end, like we're just talking about just 10% growth, we would basically be halfway there. That's just $2,400, very low end, which is more than double of what she was making in her savings account, right?
Right.
But let's just say we actually do really well. Like I said, we've made 100%, meaning that we doubled the money within a singular month before. And I can show you guys that in just a second. I'll actually share my screen on a 10K account where we've been able to do that. But let's say we just make half of that, then that's $12,000 in 1 month. $12,000 made on a 24K account size. And
Wow,
so
that's awesome.
I'm gonna actually show you guys this here. Let me share my screen. Um, can you guys see my screen?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So as you can see here, this is actually 100% account gain in a singular week from the 13th to the 20th of December. The 13th of the 20th of December, we see it's 100% gain. It's a $10,000 account where they was able to make 100% flip in a singular week.
That's crazy.
Yep. And so we can't control like the days where the stock market moves and we'll have like a drastic move where we're able to do something like this and make 100% gain on the account in a single week. But we're always being very safe with the risks that we're taking on. And someday, some weeks, we get to have an amazing week like this. And so that's the beauty of day trading. That's the beauty of it.
Right. So for all the new people that just came on board, to catch you guys up, Fancy got started with Alyssa. Within a day and a half, a couple days, she already seen over $1,000 profit with her account, which is it's crazy, right? And she could potentially make what, close to 10 over 10K a month or 16K a month with her account, right? Passively. That's passively. So imagine getting access to capital. Let me turn my camera on so you guys can see I'm serious. So imagine getting access to capital, right? And then taking at least, let's say you get access to 50K. You take half of that, you put it into your account, and then within a month, you almost double that, right? That's crazy. That's crazy. And with the AI, it's playing it safe because it's not too many risks. And if you don't mind, Alyssa, can you just talk about like the risk and reward factor?
Right, right. So we're utilizing AI while we're trading, right? So the AI is really what's helping us navigate these trades, which is how we're able to mitigate the risk, right? And so, like any other trader, we don't win every single trade. This is the reality of it. Some trades we lose, but our losses are very minimal. I mean, a couple $100, $200. But when we win big, right? And so we always use a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, meaning that for every $1 we risk, we're looking to gain at least $3. For every $100 we risk, we're looking to gain $300, right? And so in order for us to continuously win, what we're doing is, okay, let's say we were to lose a trade, we lost $100. Fine, cool. We lose another trade. We lose $100. Fine. That's down $200 for the day. We make another trade, but we win. Then we're up. We're up. We won $300. Then we're up by $100 for the day. And that's how we navigate the days, right? And so at the end of the day, and even Fancy probably could attest to this, right? One of the days we actually lost a couple $100. Fancy, are you still on the call? If you're
Yeah,
able
yeah,
to,
I'm here. So the first day I saw, yeah, I wasn't really watching it, but in the evening when I get home, I saw like I think it was less than 200. I think it was 200 and
right.
change that came off. But I don't I know how this stuff works. So I just went to bed. I didn't pay attention to it.
Mm-hmm.
But then when I checked this evening after I get out of my office, I actually saw the major jump, and I'm like, what the hell just happened?
Right, right. And so like that's the beauty of stock options is like I'm that's why I'm being completely honest and fair with you guys. Anybody who tells you that it's gonna be 100% every trade we win, this is like not the truth, right? Like the truth is that you're gonna lose some trades, but the magic in it is knowing how to mitigate your risk and knowing how much to lose and knowing when to cut your losses and then making sure when you win big. So it always makes up for any time you lose that little bit of money. So I hope that answers your question, Julius.
Oh yeah, it for sure did. For sure did. For sure. And I know more people keep coming on as we speak, but just to catch you guys up with what's going on for the new people that just joined. Um Fancy was able to get started with Alyssa. And within a day, right, she was able to see over $1,000 in profit, right? That's just within one day, one trading day. Right, I think what is it, Alyssa, 22 trading days in a month?
Yep, 22 in a month.
Right. Just off of one trading day, she did over $1,000. To be precise, right? If you really count the let me pull this up. If you really count the loss the first day, plus what she did now, that's close to $1,400 right there in one day. That's close to $1,400 in one day off of passive income that you just going about your day doing what you do, not worrying about it, but money is coming in on your behalf. That's crazy. And that's what this community is about, right? The Build Wealth community is we're trying to build wealth. So when we do get access to capital, now we know where to put the money, what to do, right? And this is one direction we can go in that I for a fact will recommend. I see somebody, two people actually got their hand raised. Hold on, let me see. iPhone 2. It doesn't say your name, but you can go ahead. Whoever got their hand raised, you can go ahead and ask whatever questions you have.
Yes, I got
Also,
a question. Oh, go ahead. Sorry.
Also, Julius, I just wanted to say I do have also a CD, and I have the CD account now going for a couple months, and I don't even see that amount that I made with Alyssa in 2 days. I don't even see that profit in the CD yet. And a CD is supposed to be one of those good thing if you lock in a good percentage. So that's crazy. I'm gonna take that money out too, and when that CD in terms is up, because when you think about it, this loss that Alicia is getting with in terms of when the loss is happening, it's not even a lot in comparison with to the gains that you could get.
Most definitely, most definitely, most definitely. And it's good that you've seen, the potential loss in the game for you to be able to make that comparison. Because like with the AI, it's low risk. If you're gonna lose, like Alyssa said, it's one or two, a couple hundred you're gonna lose. But if you're gonna gain, as you can see, what just happened, that was a $1,400 jump. $1,400 jump in one day, right, off of her account. So I'll take that risk any day, any day, right? To me, that's not even a risk. I don't even think that's a risk. I think that's a win. Regardless, even if I take whatever, right? Go ahead. iPhone 2.
Yeah, that's a great risk to reward ratio. My question is kind of might be private, so you don't have to answer this question, Alicia Fancy. My question though would be how much I understand like the leveraging when it comes to stock options, and so I'll probably ask for that $1,000 trade. What was the possibly like? Where did the account start at? And then how much was leveraged?
Yeah, that's a good question. So, her account started at $24,000, but the trade was actually only made with $2,000. So it was very limited risk on the trade. But it was a good trade. So the trade itself made over 50% in the trade, the movement. And also I believe that you personal messaged me on here as well, and the minimum investment to join the fund is $10,000. Now, on the $10,000 accounts, on average, you're seeing around 250 to 500 a day on gains. But if you have a larger account size like Fancy, you'll be able to see more consistently $1,000 days like this.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate you.
Got it, no problem.
Man, I need my funding, man. We gotta get this bag going. I need that bag back.
Most definitely, most definitely, most definitely. And then for everybody who's on the call, if you're on the call, because I know today is, Thursday is the call for everybody. If you're on the call, you're not a paid member, right? If you guys want access to Alyssa, you gotta be a paid member in the community, right? Because we're giving out too much sauce, too much free game, too much sauce, right? So for everybody that's on this call, this Thursday call today, make sure to become a paid member so you can get full access, because we're gonna have Alyssa come back. But when she's coming back, she's going in more in details as to what's really going on, so you guys can be able to ask more questions. But we just have her on this call today to kind of just show you guys like, hey, look, things is moving, right? Couple of weeks from now, we're gonna have a week or so. Who knows, right? When Fancy get more results, we're gonna come back and show you guys the results, right? Just to plant that seed and get you guys ready when you do get access to your capital. At least now you see, right? The proof is in the pudding. Like I said, with us, we don't like to do too much talking. We want to see the numbers. Show me the numbers. Whoever I'm bringing on board, show me the numbers. Like, it's a whole bunch of gurus out there. There's a whole bunch of people out there that got communities and a whole bunch of things going on, right? With us, we want to see the results. As you guys can see, when you go to the community, all we're posting is wins, 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 right? Same thing when it comes to investing the funds. We want to see wins, 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 right? So, yeah, you guys take full advantage of everything that we're bringing to this community. Like I said, if you're not a paid member, become a paid member so you can get full access to everything we have to give in this community. Monday calls is where we give out a lot of the sauce and a lot of the information. And I see you have your hand raised, Fancy.
Oh, you could finish. I was just gonna tell Alyssa, thank you so much. It was my pleasure meeting you, Alyssa. We're gonna keep working. I really appreciate it. I'm so excited. I don't even know how much to thank you, Alyssa. So nice meeting you again.
Of course, Fancy. Yeah, I can't wait to be able to, run it up with you. Of course, it's been a pleasure.
Most definitely. And Alyssa is a part of the community. She's a part of the family now. She's in the group. So, like I said, you guys take full advantage. Take
I
advantage.
Alyssa, I got more question. You be trade on the daily?
I don't necessarily trade every day if the market conditions aren't the best, but if the market conditions fit, then definitely trades are being made. So
Okay, okay.
Most definitely, most definitely, most definitely. And I know you guys have questions. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and ask away. Or you guys can drop it in the chat. But yeah, so it's let me see. But yeah, everything is straightforward, guys. We're super transparent, right? We want everybody in this community to win. We want everybody in this community to win, right? That's the goal. The goal is to build wealth, is to give everybody different opportunities to, show you guys there's multiple other ways out here than whatever you guys are doing right now to make money. Some people got a 9 to 5, some people are doing this, some people are doing that, but there's multiple ways to make money, right? Our job is to get you guys access to the capital so you can have funds, because obviously you need money to make money, right? Right? If you don't have 24K laying around or whatever, you're not gonna be right, or 10K or whatever, right? You're not gonna be qualified to make any money. So the goal is to get access to capital, take that, triple that, pay the bank back, get your foot in the door with the banks. Because once you get your foot in the door with the banks, you can always go back and get more money. So now once you find something that's working for you, right? You can always go back and hey, I need you, right? The bank is going to give it to you because now you built that relationship and you're paying back. Let's say you get access to 50K, right? You take 25K, you put it in your in the trading account, right? Within a month, let's say you make 10K within a month. Your monthly payment on that 50K is going to be like what? $500 to $1,000. If you make 10K, you're taking home 9,000 profit. That's a no-brainer, right? And that's 9,000 profit residual that you're not even lifting a finger on top of whatever investment you want to make with the other half, right? It's crazy. So it's like a hack if you think about it. Because in order for people to make money, you gotta work for it. You gotta do a lot. So it takes the average individual like almost a couple of years to save up 9,000 if you're working a normal job. It's probably going to take longer than that with bills and all and all the car note, this, that you got to take care of. If you're working a normal job, it's going to take you probably more than a couple of years to make $9,000 in profits. Right? With this community, you can make that within a month on the low end. That's on the lower end. Right? So everybody should definitely take everything that we're teaching you guys, take it serious, get your credit right, put your business in position, get access to capital because you need money to make money. You need money to make money. There's no way around it. Oh, let me go loud. There's literally no way around it. You need money to make money. So this community is super important, guys. Like I said, take heed to it, apply the knowledge, and let's get you on track. Wherever you at, if you feel stagnant, you don't have any direction, reach out to me. Let's get you on the right track. Let's put things together, start painting the picture for you so you can have some clarity. And then we'll get you tapped in with Alyssa. I know you guys have some questions. Anybody have any questions? Any statements, any questions? Is everything straightforward? I mean, you guys can go ahead and comment in the chat. If everything is straightforward and clear, you guys drop a heart in the chat. If you guys love what we're doing and love the results, drop a heart in the chat. Drop a heart in the chat. Let's get it. For sure, for sure, for sure. For sure, for sure, for sure. Awesome, 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 awesome. Awesome. For sure, for sure. So, and then for everybody who's thinking about investing as well with Alyssa, once you get access to capital, drop invest in the chat as well. Let's get it active. All right, I see Randy invest, Nisi invest. I see Flatline invest. I see Delon invest. Randy said that's my first stop. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. The proof is in the pudding. And then Alyssa, she's in the community now. So she's gonna start posting the results in the community for you guys to see. Right? Posting the screenshots, posting the dates. Just so you guys can have clarity and see exactly what's going on. Awesome, 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 awesome. And if you already haven't got in contact with Alyssa yet, because I know a lot of people probably already got in contact. We just waiting on you guys to get access to capital. But if you're on this call today and you haven't got access to Alyssa yet, and you guys haven't set up a call and talk about, your plans moving forward, make sure to contact me right now in the school community. Reach out to me. Let me know you're interested. I'll get you in contact with Alyssa, right? To see where you're at least have you have you in mind, right? So that way when you do get access to capital, we already know what direction you want to go in. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Awesome. What did anybody have any wins this week they want to talk about?
I have a win.
Awesome, awesome. Let's hear it.
I sent out my letters.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. When did you send that out? Today?
That was last night.
Last night. Awesome. Yep. Congrats, congrats, congrats. That's a win. That's a win.
Thank you.
Anybody else want to come in with a win?
Yeah, I sent out my letters last week and everything gone.
Oh, so you sent in, oh yeah, the inquiry, so everything came off.
Yep.
Awesome. Congratulations. Congratulations. That was the only step you was missing. So right now we already got you in queue. So we got you in queue right now to get access to capital. Did Raymond reach out to you yet or not yet?
Not yet.
Awesome, awesome. He's gonna be reaching out to you sometime this week. So your application is already through. So you're already in line to get access to capital. Your credit right. We don't came from the ground up. Credit right. Everything is right. We got your inquiries removed. We was able to add the primaries on there. We was able to, you got the age. You was able to increase the limit. So now we lit. We lit. We lit. And you structure your business out. Everything is perfect. So now we lit, man. We lit.
Yes, sir.
Awesome, awesome. Next step would be, get you access to that capital, liquidate it, get you in with the option trading, and there we go. There we go.
It's up.
It's up. I'm excited for you, man. I'm excited for you. I'm excited for everybody in this community. Everybody that's in this community, I'm excited for you guys. Like, I'm excited for you guys. This year, everybody that's in this community, this year is your year for sure. It is your year for sure. Right? The only way it's not your year is if you don't do the work and you miss out on your own blessing, right?
That's facts. That's facts, y'all. Like at the end of the day, Julius can give you all the keys, everything you need in order to succeed, but you still gotta apply yourself to the work in order for anything to work. So I'm about to actually leave out on this call. So Julius, if there's anybody else that you need to connect me with, you already know the vibes. And I appreciate that I was able to come on here and show you guys some real results and be a part of this community, man. I really can't wait to help all you guys grow. Fancy, we're gonna keep working and yeah, let's get to this money, y'all.
Let's get to it. Let's get to it. It's nice to have you on board. And we'll chop it up. We'll chop it up for sure.
All right, cool. Peace out,
Appreciate you,
y'all.
Alyssa, for sure, for sure. I'm about to be in
Awesome.
those DMs. We're gonna get it popping.
All
Thank
right, for
you
sure.
so much, Alyssa.
You're welcome. You're welcome. All right, y'all.
All right. All right. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Anybody else got some wins you guys want to talk about?
Yeah, my score went up 47 points today. Some of my primaries hit like so I'm
Hey.
in like 730s.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
Congrats.
Hey, you should actually post that in the community. So.
Yeah, I've been just running around. I'm gonna post it today. I took a screenshot.
Let's go.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. That's a big win. That's a huge jump. That's a big win for sure, for sure. Congratulations, congratulations. We love to see it. What we love to see.
Thank you.
You are,
Julius out.
yes, ma'am.
I just posted a screenshot in the chat because I'm still excited looking at my account.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. So you started off with a couple of days ago, you was at 24.
Yeah, 24K investment in 2 days. That's what I'm at right now.
Oh my gosh. That's gonna grow. By the time you look up, probably if you leave it in there by the time you look up by the end of the month or by a month from now, it's probably gonna be damn near touching 50.
Yeah, for real, for sure.
I'm excited for you too. I'm excited for you too. Love to see it. Love to see it. Can you guys imagine? Like what if you add in the couple hundred that you that backfired the first day, you damn near went up 1,500 within a day without lifting a finger. 1,500
Yeah.
literally without lifting a finger. That's crazy. That is crazy, right? It's a lot of businesses out here, but with this, look at the little loss that happens as the overhead, because all businesses have overhead, right? So if you look at the little losses, the couple $100 losses, that's the, you can look at that as the overhead, right? But it's crazy. I'm actually, you post that screen. Awesome, awesome. Yeah, so so keep that screenshot. Once your account get to like over 30K, you should definitely post a screenshot in the community for motivational purposes. Right.
Okay, we'll definitely do so. Thank you. This is one of the best things, man. I'm excited. This is one of the best things you do. I love this one. I'm gonna get to the the housing thing, but this one is great for now. Because
Mhm.
I'm gonna build some of those what do you call the ADUs in my on my island, in Jamaica, to make it really beautiful on the beachfront. So you know what I'm saying. So I'm about money. I'm always want to make more money. So this is the first step, and I'm gonna do all of it.
Awesome, 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 awesome. Yeah, I hope this is motivating a lot of people on this call because this could be you as well. Everybody that's on this call, it could definitely be everybody that's on this call, right? Um, it could be you and you could probably potentially make even more, right? But we just got to get you guys access to the capital. And then we'll go from there. Does anybody have any question? Anybody have any question? Let me see. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Awesome. Anybody that have any questions? Anybody want to come in and say anything? Let me read the chat. So you guys don't have no questions, no questions at all. Everything is transparent, straightforward. It's always a good thing when there's no questions. It's a good thing. That means we have full clarity, and that's what this community is about. It's about full clarity. So that's really, really good. That's amazing. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Well, if you guys don't have any further questions, this was a really, really good. I hope you guys took a lot from this call. This was a great call. And like I said, you guys don't forget, invite other people as well to this community, right? You guys are gonna help that individual out. Whoever you guys feel like can take value from this community, whoever you guys feel like would love to be a part of this community, invite your friends and family members, right? Invite your friends and family members to this community. It's gonna help them out. It's gonna help them out. So always keep that in mind. Invite your friends and family members. And then for each individuals you guys invite, like I said, if they get access to capital, right? The first couple people will do 500 a referral if they get access to capital. After that, the third, fourth, fifth person you invite, it'll be $1,000 for every time they get access to capital. Right. So I want to win with you guys. I want everybody in the community to win as well, to make income other ways, right? Just by being a part of the community. I want you guys to make income other ways. And I see like Fancy, the proof is in the pudding. So now you seen everything firsthand. So you're gonna have a lot of your friends when you start talking about this, they're gonna want to know how, like, what happened, what changed, what's going on, right? Feel free to
Yeah,
invite them over.
yeah. I also have a few clients for you too coming soon. They're about to get on board while I'm getting people better, because I'm a sports injury recovery therapist as well. So it's a no-brainer. So, I've been talking to a few of my clients, and they're about to come on board as well. So let's get it.
Most definitely, most definitely. Really, really appreciate that. And that's the thing. You don't really got to convince people you know, when you got a good product, when you got something going on that's good, people are going to talk regardless. So even if I know you guys, once you start getting results, like you're going to have that conversations with your friends and family, right? So I'm just putting it out there. Even if I didn't put it out there, I know for a fact you guys are going to be inviting people anyways, but just keep that in mind, right? I wanted you guys to, get some type of compensation when you do invite individuals, right? So that way everybody is winning. You can put that money towards your account, right? So just look at it like that. With me, I'm super generous. I want everybody to win. That's the reason why this community is still going to this day, right? That's why we're still pushing, we're still growing, because I want to see everybody that attend these calls. I want to see everybody win one way or the other. I want to see everybody win. I want to see everybody build wealth. Right. And then another thing I'm going to do here coming here in the future, I'm going to start doing a podcast and start inviting everybody that get big wins. I'm going to invite you over, right, on the podcast to talk about your story, talk about your win. That's another thing that's coming in the future, the Build Wealth podcast. It's going to be amazing. You guys definitely look forward to that for sure. Awesome. Anybody have any question? Awesome. Nobody have any questions? Well, it was nice. This conversation was nice. I hope you guys took a lot from it. And yeah, we'll see you guys on the Monday calls. Monday calls, like I said, the Monday calls is where we give out information. That's where we give out the sauce. So I'll see you guys on the Monday calls.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
All right, bet.
No problem. All right, guys. Have a good rest of you guys' day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good night, everyone.
You too, man. Take care.
Thank you.
All right.
Later, y'all.